Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remote start your Cadillac XT5. First, ensure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. You can easily check this by pressing the lock button on your key fob. Once confirmed, we will proceed with the simple two-step process to get your XT5 engine running and the climate control activated. To use your key fob for remote starting, begin by pressing the lock button once. This ensures all doors are securely closed and locked. Next, immediately press and hold the circular arrow button, which is your remote start button, for at least 4 seconds. You'll notice the parking lamps flash and then remain illuminated, indicating a successful start. The engine will now be running, and your climate system will begin adjusting the cabin temperature. For an even more convenient option, utilize the My Cadillac mobile application. Simply open the app on your smartphone and select your XT5 from the vehicle dashboard. Locate and tap the remote start icon, which typically looks like a circular arrow. The app will then prompt you to confirm your command. Once confirmed, your vehicle will start, and you'll receive a notification within the app confirming the successful remote start. Remote start offers numerous benefits beyond just comfort. Your XT5 engine will run for approximately 10 minutes, providing ample time to prepare. You can extend this duration by repeating the remote start process, adding another 10 minutes of run time. Remember, for safety, always use remote start in a well-ventilated area. This feature truly enhances your driving experience, ensuring your Cadillac is always ready for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.